Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at an indicator that highlights a specific kind of risk, untracked future release. Well, this metric represents the percentage of a project's total token supply that has an undisclosed or non-public unlock schedule. In other words, tokens that are going to be released at some point, but nobody outside the team knows exactly when or how. That's clearly a transparency issue. If you can't see when tokens will hit the market, you can't anticipate the dilution. You are essentially investing blind on a portion of the supply. Let's take a look at Arbitrum. With a total score of 85, the tokenomic score here is only at 39 over 100. When you click on it and when you go to the untracked future release, you can see it's in green with a total score of 0%. That means that every single token that hasn't been distributed yet has a publicly known unlock schedule. You can go to CryptoRank when you click on the score to look at the vesting timeline and know exactly when each batch of tokens will enter circulation. That's the best case scenario because full transparency on future supply means you can plan accordingly and won't be caught off guard by unexpected token releases flooded in the market. Now imagine the complete opposite, a project where 20, 30 or 50% of the supplies has no disclosed schedule. That's a major risk factor. Those tokens could be released at any time and you have no warning. It could happen anytime during a market downturn, amplifying the sell pressure, or right after a pump, crushing the momentum. So when you see a high percentage here, especially if it's in red, that's clearly a signal to dig deeper. Check the project's documentation, look for blog posts about their token distribution plan, and ask yourself, do I trust this team enough to manage the supply responsibly? As always, you can click on the score to go to the CryptoRank page and check the vesting page by yourself. If the data is transparent, you will see a clear timeline. If it's not, that silence itself is the signal. So, transparency on token supplies is non-negotiable for serious investors. Head over to CryptoScores.com to check the untracked future release for any project, and we will see you there in the next one.